Good afternoon everyone. This is activity week 14 is all about discuss the objectives and requirements of FAL 1965 as amended LLMC 1976 and marine insurance liability. The FAL 1965 LLMC 1976 and marine liability insurance play crucial roles in international maritime operation, ensuring safety, efficiency, and financial stability. The FAL 1965 Convention on Facilitation of International Maritime Traffic aims to simplify the streamlined port procedures for ships. Main objective is to reduce the time and paperwork involved in the arrival, stay, and departure of ships at port by using standards documents like the cargo declaration and crew list. The convention helps to prevent delays and support smoother global trade. Modern amendments encourage electronic data exchange, making port operation faster and less dependent on physical paperwork. This promotes international cooperation and minimizes administrative burdens for shipping companies and port authorities. The LLMC 1976 Limitation of Liability for Maritime Claims, designed to protect ship owners by limiting their financial liability in the event of maritime incident. This accident can include collision, cargo damage, or environmental accident. That convention set a maximum amount that ship owners have to pay, calculated based on the ship's size. This cap on liability insurance that owners can message potential claims without facing financial ruin, making maritime investment more appealing. However, if a ship owner's reckless or intentional misconduct is proven, they lose the right to limit liability. Marine liability insurance is essential for ship owners to meet their financial obligations when incidents occur. This type of insurance covers legal responsibilities including damage to other vessels, cargo, and third-party injuries or death protection and indemnity. Insurance is a common form of coverage addressing liabilities not covered by standard hull insurance. Adequate liability insurance ensures that ship owners can handle costly claims, comply with international regulations, and maintain their business financial stability. Together, FAL 1965, LLMC 1976, and marine liability insurance establish a strong framework that supports safe, efficient, and financially secure global maritime operations.